views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of Cointelegraph.com. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision. The market data is provided by the HIT BTC exchange. At the beginning of the year, the total crypto market capitalization had risen above $825 billion, and many expected it to reach $1 trillion during the year. But at press time, June 25, the market capitalization is $236 billion. It is no surprise that interest to cryptocurrencies has decreased. The current investors are experiencing huge losses while the new ones are waiting for prices to go even lower to enter. Unless fresh money starts to come in, the trend will not change. The institutional players are likely to enter when the market stabilizes and shows signs of bottoming out. Being a volatile asset class, it will not take a long time for the trend to change from bearish to bullish. Todd Gordon, founder of TradingAnalysis.com, believes that the short-term pain is still not yet over, but he expects Bitcoin to rally above $10,000 by 2019. Brian Kelly, founder and CEO of BKCM LLC, told CNBC that Bitcoin is not dead, and urged the investors to look at the long-term prospects of the cryptocurrencies while investing. We still believe that most major cryptocurrencies are in a bottoming process and offer a good buying opportunity for the long-term investors. Let's see if there are trading opportunities today. BTC USD THE bears succeeded in breaking below the $6,000 levels on June 24. However, they could not sustain those levels. Bitcoin quickly rallied from the intraday lows and closed above the $6,075 levels. We like the positive divergence on the RSI. This points to the probability of a relief rally, which will be confirmed once the BTC USD pair breaks out of the 20-day EMA. The first target on the upside is a move to $7,700, above which the rally can extend to $8,500. Therefore, we recommend a long position on a close above the 20-day EMA. The initial stop loss can be kept at $5,900. We are trying to catch the bottom here. That can be risky. Therefore, please keep the position size only 40% of usual. Our bullish view will be invalidated if the digital currency turns down from the overhead resistance and breaks below $5,900. USD Ethereum dropped to a low of $421 on June 24, but the bulls managed to pull back and close above $450 levels. The USD pair is trading above its April lows, which shows its outperformance. The developing bullish divergence on the RSI is another positive sign. The digital currency should gain momentum once it breaks out of the 20-day EMA. Therefore, we suggest a long position on a breakout and close UTC above the 20-day EMA. The SL can be kept at $420. Our bullish view will be invalidated if the bears break down of $420. In this case, Ethereum might slide to $358 levels. XRP USD Ripple is trading precariously close to its major support at $0.45351. It broke below this level on June 24 but managed to close UTC above it. Unless the bulls force a quick recovery, the XRP USD pair will be vulnerable to another bout of selling by the bears. Below $0.45351, the next support is only at 24 cents. We shall turn positive on the digital currency if it scales above $0.56270. Such a move will confirm that the markets have rejected the lower levels twice, increasing the probability of a double bottom formation. BCH USD Bitcoin Cash broke below the critical support at $736.0137 in intraday trading on June 24 but managed to close UTC above it. Today, the bulls are attempting a pullback, which might face resistance at the downtrend line. If it is crossed, the next hurdle will be at the 20-day EMA. The BCH USD pair usually enters a small period of consolidation before embarking on a new up move. We need to wait for a few days and then recommend a long position if we find any reliable pattern developing. On the downside, any break of the $683 levels can sink the digital currency to $619.7510. EOS USD EOS is looking weak. It plunged to an intraday low of $6.8926 on June 24 where buying emerged. The bulls are currently trying to push prices above the $8 levels. The RSI is close to the oversold levels, hence, a pullback is possible. On the upside, the EOS USD pair has resistances at the downtrend line to the 20-day EMA and the 50-day SMA. On the downside, the digital currency can decline to $5.9610. we shall wait for a new buy setup to form. Until then, we believe that the traders should remain on the sidelines. LTC USD. Once Litecoin broke below the $107.102 levels, we had forecast that it could plummet to $75.131. On June 24, it fell to a low of $75.405. Where will it go from here? Below $75, the next support is at $67. The RSI is in a deep oversold territory, hence, we anticipate a bounce from the support zone at $67 to $75. The first sign of strength will be when the LTC USD pair breaks out and sustains above the downtrend line and the 20-day EMA. As it has broken down from a bearish pattern, we need to wait for it to exhibit sustained buying interest before suggesting any trades. ADA USDTHE bulls are struggling to defend the critical support at 13 cents on Cardano. A break of this level on a closing basis UTC can sink it to $0.078215. The RSI has entered into the oversold territory, which suggests that the selling has been overdone. However, we don't recommend any long positions until the ADA USD pair stops falling. During the earlier decline to 13 cents levels in March of this year, the digital currency had taken about 21 days to bottom out. The trend had changed when the price broke out and sustained above the 20-day EMA, therefore, we'd better wait for the bulls to sustain above the 20-day EMA before proposing any trades. XLM USD. On June 24, Stellar dipped below the critical support at $0.184 in intraday trading but managed to close UTC above it. Even in March of this year, the digital currency had broken below the support during intraday trading on a few occasions but always managed to close above $0.184. The first sign of bullishness during the previous fall in March was when the bulls managed to close above the downtrend line and the 20-day EMA. The RSI is in the oversold territory, which increases the probability of a bounce. However, we believe that the XLM USD pair will offer an attractive trading opportunity only after it scales above the downtrend line and the 20-day EMA. Until then, it will remain volatile. We will have to reassess our view if the bears secure a closing below $0.184 and stay there. IOTA USD. IOTA momentarily broke below the support at $0.9150 on June 24 but quickly recovered and closed UTC above it. Today, the bulls are attempting to bounce off the $0.9150 levels, which is a positive sign. However, after such a sharp fall, we shall not turn bullish with one positive close. We need to wait for the IOTA USD pair to break out of both the 20-day EMA and the downtrend line before proposing any long trades. Our bullish view will be invalidated if the bears break down and close below the $0.9150 levels. TRX USD. We believe that Tron is trading inside a large range. It is currently trying to form a double bottom close to $0.037380021 levels. If it breaks out of the 20-day EMA, it can move up to $0.052 levels where it will face resistance from the downtrend line. Like the positive divergence developing on the RSI. However, we'll wait until the TRX USD pair shows some buying interest. Our bullish view will be invalidated if the bears break and close UTC below the $0.037 levels. The market data is provided by the HIT BTC exchange. The charts for the analysis are provided by TradingView.